you'll die. You'll die young. You'll die young. So you can't really match you the next the Joe. Man, again, that is why celebrities their depression is caused by all these things because you see someone flying first class to Dubai, what. Hey, people don't know how these people are making it. You see, so if you want to compare yourself with Refoin, you're going to get hurt. Firstly, I've been in the game for 11 years, so if you want to now, forget that's why I don't even talk a lot now. If you can check on I don't even post a lot. I'm not doing on. I just look and say it's okay. Let me just watch because it's a marathon. It's a marathon. It's a marathon. People are in a rush. Hey, it's a marathon. I know. 2 years, 3 years. I've seen this movie before. I've been in the game for so many years. And why have I stayed for so long? It's because of what? I was able to know that, don't be in a rush. When everyone is doing this, just relax. Because you want to be able to be alive even next year, 2023, 2024, 2025. You can bet with me right now, many people that you see in the market right now, 90% of them, they will not be there next year or 2024. 2025, actually, 95% of traders that we know will not be there at all. Just, Mama, okay. Where is Mama? Because it's a marathon. It's a marathon, and they're in a rush. You see. And as we know the game, that we see this game. Because even when I started trading long time ago, many years ago, those people that I started with, I don't know where they are. I don't want to lie to you. I don't know where they are, those people. And I also wish to meet with them because those were very nice young guys. I don't know what happened to them. But they were pushing like this. Pushing like this. So you see, this thing, it needs timing. So in life, you must never, ever compare yourself with anyone. Move at your own pace. Move nicely and go wherever you're going. That's why I said I've got a problem with social media, man. Social media is a big problem. Social media is a big problem because social media is the one that is putting us under pressure. You see, it's the one that is putting us under pressure, social media, because we are under pressure. Hey, look at Mama, look at don't worry. You see, and me, I like things that are bought cash. You see, in your life, if you cannot afford to buy something cash, I leave it. And if you have to buy it in installments, then you rather make sure that whatever it is that you're buying and you're paying it in installments, that you quickly pay it off or it's making money for you somehow. But never ever put yourself in a position where tomorrow now someone has to come with it. You have to play tag and diving now. Someone wants to take your car. You know, no, man. If you're taking a diving now, hey, sir, where are you? We want to come and take the car. It's a repossession. I mean, what? And it's even worse now. These cars of today, the Mercedes and everything, they've got their own tracker. So even when you are running away from from them, they still find the car somehow. I saw someone being embarrassed. You see, so it's not good, guys. Never ever put yourself in a position where in life now you're under pressure. If you can't do something, leave it. Someone said to me, "Do you see that? Hey, there's someone now just bought this car." I said, "Hey, man, you know what? I'm not in this."
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA-FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA-FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, Trader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I I chose to join them? Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US 30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive a 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader, on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.
Every single day, I get phone calls from my friends and cousins and say, "Hey man, do you see someone? There's this trader who just bought this car." I say, what must I do now? They want me to go and buy a car. I'm not in a competition. I want to be able to buy cars even in 2024, 2025, 2026. You see? So people are just under this pressure, man. I can't. Not on pressure. I'm fine. This week I'm traveling the world. The same money that I was going to spend now to impress people who don't even love you. Some of them, they are wishing you bad. What happens is that you can go around the world, learn new things, even invest in some stuff. You see? Guys, social media don't allow it to take you down. Lost idea. We're not and I like this guy. Guys, I hope you're hearing me. I'm teaching you life lessons that no one will teach you these things. I learned them through experience over the years. That life is like this. Shit it. It's all an illusion and it's all a scam. The whole thing is a scam. Because you end up putting yourself in trouble. Tomorrow you are the only person who's in trouble. Everyone else is fine. So you can't allow that. If you want to move forward in life, move forward at your own pace. That's it. Don't be under pressure. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys have any questions. Let me just see if there's anyone who has any questions for me before I close. These are life lessons that you can really learn. And I said, people that you follow on social media, you must check your followers, people that you are following. Make sure that these people who you are following are people who are expanding your brain, are expanding your memory, are expanding your knowledge. You don't just follow anyone for fun. You must follow people who are raising your vibration. Because even the people that we follow sometimes, it's not right. They are doing stupid stuff. So rather not follow anyone. There was a time I was following only one person on social media. I could follow only one person because everyone else is just doing nonsense. They're posting porn and everything. I said, nah, this is not nice. So you want people who are posting motivational stuff, people who are posting your inspirational stuff, people who are motivating, people who are not bragging also, people who are not egotistic. Right now, people are so egotistic, everyone is just so egotistic. They just, me, they just, people need help. I saw some guy asking someone on the comment, "Hey man, please help me with Forex." "Hey, I'm too busy." I said, "No man, why people are like this? Are so arrogant and cocky." Sometimes people forget that they were also broke at one stage. So they're acting as if now they were born rich. Hey, I'm so nice. That's not nice. When you make it in life, it's a grace. You've made it now. You must share that with other people. I said, "Okay, where is the dog of mine?" Nah, guys, I'm going to close it. I hope you're excited, guys. I know many people, they want a mentorship. I said, if you want to be mentored by someone who's a millionaire or a billionaire, you need to be willing to exchange something, either money or a skill. But you can't get mentorship for free. You need to be able to exchange something. So I know that you guys cannot afford to pay a millionaire or a billionaire the mentorship prices. But at least just offer something. I'm telling you, that thing that you're offering, someone who's compassionate will say, it's fine, don't worry. Keep it. Keep that money. I'll teach you. But for the thing that you are willing to pay, I'm telling you, they will take you in. But this thing for free, it don't work. Unless you say, teach me and then I'll work under you. I'll pay you in a way of employment, in a way of labor. Serious, yeah. I want to be under your wing and I'll also work under you. That's nice. That's great. So, but you must be willing to give something to someone if you want to get that knowledge. Because people right now, they always say, you need to be surrounded by millionaires, you need to be surrounded by successful people, you need to be surrounded by billionaires. But how do you surround yourself by millionaires and billionaires? There's no millionaire, truly speaking, there's no millionaire or billionaire that wants to surround themselves with commoners. You see? There's no millionaire or billionaire that wants to surround themselves by commoners. They're always like that, these people. They move together. Millionaires, they move together. Billionaires move together. In order for you to be in their circle, you need to be able to talk the same language and say, you know what? I want to be your servant. I want to work under you. I want to submit. You can even call that person Papa. I want to call you Papa. I want to call you Daddy. I want to call you boss, whatever. But humble yourself if you want help in life. You see, I'm telling you, they love servants. And you are not a servant for a long term. You know where you're going. That you're not going to be a servant for a long time. You are working on something. You are a strategist. Me, when I was selling SIM cards, I knew that I'm not going to be selling SIM cards forever. Doctor, please answer me, my guru, undercover billionaire. You see, so no one wants to go through all these things. So guys, Daddy, if you want money, Papa, you call them. I don't know where you're going. You are being strategic. Now someone says, me, I will never do that. Then you stay broke. Man, in life, if you want to move far and you want to go deeper, you want to learn things that people will never learn, you need to come with a strategy. You need to come with a strategy and find yourself inside. You know what you're doing, that you're not going to do this thing forever. But if you want to come as a boss, big boss, now I'm a graduate. There's someone last time who says to me, that's me, I'm a graduate. I said, okay. What does it do for you now, that graduate? That certificate, what is it doing for you? Nothing. Zero. But you want to say, I'm a graduate. I left school because I saw this thing is going to take a long time. I need to come with. Guys, I'm teaching you life principles. In life, you need to humble yourself. In life, you need to push your ego aside. You need to know that in order for you to get where you want to go to, you have to be willing to do things that you're not willing to do right now. Otherwise, your life will remain the same again. What is insanity? Insanity is doing the same things over and over again, hoping for different results. Dr. Rep, have you ever played gambling? Yeah, I used to gamble. I like gambling. Guys, I did everything. Gambling, huh? They know me at Gold Reef City. Gold Reef City, they know me. Gold Reef City, they know me. Actually, I was dealing with Gold Reef City. Gold Reef City. I once went to Kimberley also to gamble in Kimberley. Imagine going all the way to Kimberley to gamble, because I saw that there's a car there, a Mini Cooper. They say you can strike it rich. There's a slot machine. Cling, cling, cling. You know the strange things. Gambling is just a waste of time. You will eventually take the money back to the casino. It's a system. It's a system. A system is designed that these people are operating on your greed, on your emotions, you see. So they know that, even if you can win, you're going to take that money back. That is why in a casino, you find there's a hotel. So in a casino, you also find that there is a bar. They want that same money that you want to circulate inside. So they keep on offering, say, do you want any drinks to drink? especially when you're winning. Do you want anything to drink? So in a casino, you are there. There's a hotel, so the money must circulate inside. The same person who owns the casino is the same person who owns the hotel and everything. So guys, this is a system that has been created, and these people sat down and created this system. So you come thinking that you're going to outsmart them. If they hired people who did actuarial science, mathematics at its highest level, to know how they can make their money back even when people are winning. So already when you enter the corridors of the casino, you are at a loss. It's like the spread of the broker. The minute you open a trade, you are at a loss. So casino, forget about it. It don't work. I saw it. I went there. I said, I was winning around to like, I'm a very, very lucky guy. I was winning. So it's nonsense. The money goes back. I don't know how. Look, I win a lot of money, but the money just goes back. 10K, 5K, yeah, goes back. I say, hey, these people, I even thought they're using something. I say, hey, these people are using something. Bet ways, sports bet. Yeah, bet way, sports bet. Yeah, it's fine. You can try. There's different levels of gambling now, because of now there's a calculated way of gambling. Like, when you do poker, there's some gambling that you can do some gambling that is statistic, kind of like you can win because of you're doing something also. You need to have smartness, but this slot machine and card machines and all these things are where you are any system where you are against the machine or a computer. It's fine when you're gambling against a person. The odds are even. Yeah, when you're gambling against a person, the odds are even. You know that Manchester can do this and everything, but even those things still, the way they're designed.